Sembut Menteri Langba Kejela ba Presiden Tynsong ha kesengi ba Shillong baya ka Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act la pyntreikam ha barok kawe Kejela da kejing pej jong ki Deputy Commissioner haman ki district. Habakran sekilat petai kebor ba Presiden Shillong ba kini ka an menta ka pyntreikam haman ki district ba per kamtam hanong ba Shillong. Ha ka ba ya kejing pyntreikam ya ka kalaya chat. Rai ula batai ba ka MRSSA kamla pyntreikam ha ki jakarung jakami namar bakum kita ki kendon kimdon ha ka an. Shushu ulaong ba wadla ki yung dorbar kala manjur ya kejing penkela ya kabil. Rai ulat jong Kejela ha ka tukapor ula pa ya kani sa ka Ministry of Home Affairs jong sarkar pedang.
But MRSSA, who told you that we abandoned that? MRSSA is partly being implemented. We are functioning under MRSSA, where we already have even the district task force headed by each deputy commissioner. So we have already activated as per their rule. It is there, and we are making it more effective in all other districts, and especially in Shillong. Let me tell you one thing: we do have, and it is fully functional in Shillong, especially in Shillong.
Then there are statements that the amendment did not have the provision in the supply.
No. You don't misunderstand. When I said some provision was not there for setting up of entry and exit, that is the whole thing where we could not fully implement the MRSSA Act because of the basic provision was not there. That in the main principal act it was not there. That's what we went to pass it in the assembly in the form of amendment. Ultimately, the amendment bill was referred by the then governor to the Ministry of Home Affairs. I did not say that we did not implement. We do implement, but legally speaking, we cannot set up entry or exit point because there is no provision in the original form of the MRSSA. Okay, thank you.